All right. Welcome back to the channel. Very interesting middle of the week. Looking very positive. We are at £621 from recording this video for the day. Gross £4,988. We did lose about, well, it's about £800 on Thursday and about £400 a couple of days before that. However, we are starting to gain it all back. This wasn't a loss in trades being taken and stop losses being hit. It was just more a dip in the profits that I've made over the year, which I'll explain more in detail as we go through. Of course, just jumped up massively there as I'm talking. But we'll start with the cryptos as always. Bullish across the board. XRP, Solana, Ethereum, and also Bitcoin have all had a green day, as my community members are all in these trades. We're in the Bitcoin trade and also the XRP trade. Couldn't get in on the Solana or the Ethereum, but we were looking at the levels. We dropped down to the 4x. The US dollar is kind of just fluctuating here on these levels. We did enter a long, but we got kicked out. However, we could re-enter that at a later date. Also, NZD-JPY. So, huge bearish candle on Friday, which to me looks like a profits being taken candle, because it literally just tanked and it wiped out a lot of gain. And obviously we're in a long here, but it just come down short of our entry point, and hopefully in the next couple of weeks it's gonna regain. I'm just hoping this is a higher low it's making. Pound Swiss tanked massively over the last couple of weeks. Had a couple of bullish days. We are on a short here, so we'll see what happens with that one. Pound CAD, same again. Last week it tanked down to our entry point. We've had a few greenish days, so hopefully this continues going higher. Pound Aussie, very similar chart, kind of just fluctuating, hoping this is creating a higher low. I mean, if you look on the weekly chart, it is in an uptrend. Been in that trade a little while. It is a risk-free trade. I mean, if it does hit our entry point, it just hits our stop loss and we go break even, so no problem. Pound Japanese yen, same again. Huge bearish candle on Friday. A lot of talks about the tariffs again. So yeah. Euro krone nearly hit our stop loss. However, we have regained it and it's gone back into profit. Euro JPY, we have entered long here. 2 bearish days and we've just gone into a bullish day. Euro AUD, same again. Went into some drawdown, but we've come out of it quite nicely. Euro JPY, hit our first target back in end of July. Hopefully this is just profits being taken. This is a higher low and we'll continue going higher. Swiss franc, same, very similar to Euro JPY. Smash through here. Hopefully this is just profits being taken and we continue going higher. CAD, not much, hasn't really done anything since early July. It tanked nicely end of June. It hasn't really done much now. Aussie Swiss, smash through our target on the 4th of April. Now it's risk free, so you're going to continue going low or it's going to go higher. Aussie JPY, same again, risk free trade, hit our first target, hopefully continues higher. Net assess £931 profit, which is about 11%. Gold. Gold's been a little bit choppy. We have had about 4 bullish days. We have entered a long here, so we'll see what happens with that. NAS 100 was moving very nicely. Got a couple of bullish days now. Back in some nice profit. German 30. We've re-entered the long here. We did get stopped out, but we've re-entered. Yeah, that's it for the indices and stocks. Tesla up for the day. Uber kind of it is red for the day, but I think that's probably creating a higher low. Netflix up for the day. McDonald's has a really bullish day, up over 3%, which is really nice. Meta, beautiful, had a beautiful day on the 31st of July. And then Apple, we've re-entered long, looking very nice. So yeah, happy days. And that's it for today. So overall, £627 profit for the day. £4,993 of all of my trades combined. As you can see here, all green. Apart from these ones down at the bottom, but we've just re-entered them. That's why they're red. So yeah, if you enjoy my content, help me out. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. If you want to learn how to trade, you want to copy all of my trades, the link to join my community is below. I've got over 50 members copying my trades and making money on a daily basis like this. So yeah, and we're only yeah, we're doing very well for August so far. So yeah, thanks ever so much for listening, and I'll see you guys in the next one.